Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on using a Python for loop to iterate in decreasing order, along with a code example. In Python, a for loop is commonly used to iterate over a sequence of elements. By default, the for loop is used to traverse elements in ascending order. However, there are scenarios where you might need to iterate in decreasing order. Let's explore how to achieve this using the range function. The range function in Python is versatile and allows you to generate a sequence of numbers with a specified start, stop, and step. By utilizing the range function with a negative step, you can iterate in decreasing order. Here is the syntax for the range function with a negative step. Let's create a simple example to print numbers in decreasing order using a for loop. In this example, by using the range function with a negative step, you can easily implement a for loop to iterate in decreasing order in Python. This technique is particularly useful when you need to perform tasks in reverse order or iterate over elements in a descending fashion. ChatGPT